Why did I cut a hole in my PC? Well, to answer that question, we gotta go back a little bit. Back when I had my Acer Nitro 5. I was watching a Linus Tech Tips videos, had an old laptop, and I was like, hey, I need a new one. So I watched a Linus Tech Tips videos and they recommended it. I went out my way and bought one. Turned out it was shit. Replaced the thermal paste. After that didn't work, I contacted Acer. A lot. They refused to fix it, and there was nothing wrong with it. It was fully operational, nothing was damaged or whatever. Everything was fine. So I spent about another 500 to 600 euros in upgrading this thing, bringing the total of 1,500 euros that's currently in my hands, and it's a 1,500 euro waste. I then bought a PC, hoping to fix all of my issues, running games better and not have thermal throttling. And it came with this. The problem with this is that it's great and all for Core i3 or Core i5, right? But not for a Core i7 drawing up to 200 watts from the CPU socket. It just doesn't do it. It just won't do it. It doesn't work. So I cut a hole in my PC, and I'm going to show you how.
Alright, well, we're in BeamNG. I'm gonna reactivate all my mods real quick, because 2 of them have been disabled. Okay, let's spawn in a unmodded vehicle, because, yes, I really like this car. It is fast, it is reliable, and it's somewhat balanced actually too. See, this thing drives real nicely. So, I'm now in West Coast, USA, driving around in my car. One car is not big of a problem. Everything seems stable. Suppose temperatures, frame rate is consistent. Although I wouldn't say my frame rate is high. I've seen better. It's around 100 FPS. And concerning my monitor, yes, that is low. But then again, I have it set to ultra graphics. Wow. Donate on Twitch if you want me to get a new wheel. My shifters and my wheels just in general is just broken. That just happened. Okay, so let's turn around, go back to the city and spawn in some vehicles. Now we have a baseline on how this game runs. Okay, let's start a spawn in some vehicles. It's gonna be around 7 AI vehicles, and since I'm recording, my computer is not gonna like this, so bear with us for a second, as I'm gonna load in a lot of cars, which is gonna increase my CPU usage a lot. As you can see, the game is running at about 30 to 40 FPS. Peaked at 116 watts, which is not too bad. Not too bad. I've seen way worse than that. But it is just like 20 watts or 15 watts shy of double its rated power. Wow, this game has come far. I've been playing this game since about 2014. And on that note, it's time to move on to another game, GTA 5.
Worse off than me.
Let's get a smoothie next week, okay?
Fucking shit!
Alright, let's now go into Shadow of the Tomb Raider, a very demanding game, especially for the GPU. Let's see how the CPU handles it, because I know the GPU hates it. I'm gonna run your benchmark and see how it goes.
Estaré aquí toda la noche.
¡Hey! ¡Cuidado, niños!
Well, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you watching this video. It's been a while since I made my last video. I'm trying to upload more, but I've been really busy with work and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching. Leave a like, maybe subscribe if you really liked it. You can leave suggestions in the comments or all that kind of stuff. And join my Discord server where we have amazing people ready to talk to you. I'll see you around. Bye bye.